In a world where technology continuously dazzles us with its innovation, ChatGPT has set a new milestone with a See, Hear, and Speak update. This upgrade, reminiscent of a scene from a sci-fi movie, takes us into a realm of AI advancement that are both impressive and incredibly entertaining. Imagine having a conversation with an AI. Instead of just using text, you can now share images seamlessly. This technological marvel is what OpenAI, the mastermind behind ChatGPT, has brought to life. The big reveal made on September 25, 2023 set ripples of excitement throughout the tech world. It marks the culmination of OpenAI's effort to make ChatGPT more interactive and versatile. The upgrade opens up a world of possibilities by allowing users to upload images into a ChatGPT interface. It's like having a conversation with an AI, but with the added power of visuals. What's even more intriguing is that this feature is not limited to a particular platform. Whether you're using ChatGPT on your desktops, web browser, or on your mobile device through ChatGPT app, the image upload feature is at your fingertips. This inclusively means that you can engage in visual conversations no matter how you access ChatGPT. The new feature was initially rolled out to ChatGPT Plus and enterprise users. OpenAI knows the value of its subscribers, and this is their way of extending the perks. It's part of a growing trend where innovative features are introduced to paying users before being made available to the broader audience. In this case, ChatGPT Plus subscribers have the privilege of being the first to harness the power of image-based communication. So how exactly does one unleash the power of visual conversations with ChatGPT? It's refreshingly simple. You can take a picture in real time using the camera option located conveniently to the left of the message bar. This user-friendly approach lets you capture the essence of what you want to discuss, making your conversation more engaging. Alternatively, you can select existing photos from your device or computer, depending on your platform. This flexibility adds an element of convenience for users who may want to share images that they already have in their collection. OpenAI seems to have thought of everything because, while you can't upload videos just yet, you can submit multiple images in a single prompt, making it all the more engaging and dynamic. The real spectacle of ChatGPT's image features lies in its ability to analyze and interpret these images. But like any other technology, it's not without its quirks. While it may not be perfect, ChatGPT's image analysis capability can identify a wide range of objects, from an orchid plant to international points. The chatbot seems to have a keen eye for everyday objects, making it a fun tool for those curious about the world around them. Despite its remarkable power, it's important to approach its answer with a hint of skepticism. ChatGPT's labeling isn't foolproof, as it once mistook a daily multivitamin for something entirely different. This amusing yet insightful quirk shows that AI still has its limit. As we embark on this visual adventure with ChatGPT, it's important to note that it excels at certain tasks while falling short in others. For instance, when faced with a photo of a mural, it struggles to identify the artist or location. However, it aces its game when it comes to recognizing well-known landmarks in San Francisco, like Dolores Park and the Salesforce Tower. While it may seem like a bit of a gimmick, it opens up exciting possibilities for anyone exploring new places, bringing a touch of digital tourism to the world. To safeguard user privacy and security, OpenAI has placed essential guardrails on this new feature. ChatGPT is programmed to prioritize privacy and safety, which means it cannot identify real people based on its images. This important ethical stance is vital in the digital age, where privacy concerns are paramount. But what happens when these guardrails are removed? The implication could be unsettling, opening the door to privacy breaches and potential misuse. The possibility of linking any image to a person's identity within seconds is concerning, and without adequate privacy protection, it is a risk that must be addressed. ChatGPT's image upload feature showcases the broad potential and the important safety measures that come along with this remarkable update. Let's dive deeper into the implications and uses of this game-changing addition to ChatGPT. The ability to have image-based conversations with ChatGPT is akin to opening a door to a universe of possibilities. While it's great fun, it's essential to recognize the real-world applications of this feature. Let's look at how this update can redefine our interactions with AI. For the curious traveler, this feature is a game-changer. Imagine strolling through a new city, taking a snapshot of an architectural marvel, and asking ChatGPT about its history. The chatbot can provide engaging narrative, fascinating anecdotes, and in-depth knowledge about the landmark, all based on the image you've shared. ChatGPT's ability to instantly recognize and provide information on famous locations, landmarks, and notable points of interest can make travel an enriching experience. It's like having a knowledgeable tour guide in your pocket, ready to share insight wherever your adventures takes you. You open your refrigerator, you take a quick photo of its content, and ask ChatGPT what culinary wonders you can create with the ingredients on hand. ChatGPT's image recognition technology can identify various food items and offer scrumptious recipe suggestions based on your inventory. It's a delightful way to experiment in the kitchen, making your meals more enjoyable and adventurous. The implications of this image feature in education are astounding. Students can upload images of textbooks pages, complex diagrams, or scientific illustrations to gain a deeper understanding of their studies. ChatGPT can then explain concepts, provide historical context, or even solve complex math problems. It's a dynamic learning tool that transforms the way students access information and support for their studies. Education is on the cusp of a significant transformation. ChatGPT's image upload features paves the way for more interactive and personalized learning. Imagine students exploring history through visual artifacts, diving into biology with interactive models, or traveling through literature with immersive visual aids. Artists, writers, and content creators can also benefit from this innovative feature. By sharing the visual concept or drafts with ChatGPT, they can receive creative insights and suggestions. Whether you're brainstorming ideas for a novel, designing a website, or creating digital art, ChatGPT's input can elevate your creative process. While ChatGPT's image upload feature is undoubtedly remarkable, it's not without its challenges. As with any technology, there is a potential pitfalls that must be addressed. ChatGPT's image recognition capabilities are impressive, but they're not infallible. It's crucial for users to remember that ChatGPT's responses are generated based on the information it has been trained on. In cases where information might be incomplete or outdated, the chatbot's response could be less accurate. Privacy concerns are among the top ethical considerations with this feature. The ability to upload and share images opens the door to questions about data privacy and misuse. Without proper safeguards, the technology could be exploited to reveal sensitive information about individuals, posing serious threats to privacy and security. OpenAI has taken steps to mitigate potential misuse. ChatGPT is programmed to prioritize privacy and not identify real people based on images. However, the responsibility doesn't solely rest with OpenAI. Users must also exercise caution when sharing images, avoiding any that might compromise privacy or security. The line between human creativity and artificial intelligence is beginning to blur. Imagine a world where authors co-create novels with AI, where artists collaborate with chatbots to bring their visions to life, or where educators team up with AI to revolutionize the learning experience. ChatGPT's image recognition technology can be a catalyst for these creative collaborations. Thank you for exploring the exciting world of ChatGPT's image update with us. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insight. And of course, make sure to ring that bell icon to stay updated on all our future tech adventures. Until next time, keep dreaming and innovating.